Hello there, welcome to Tonic. In this one, what I'm going to do is show you very quickly how to create a Microsoft Word document file within AI ChatGPT. And the document for this video what I'm going to create is a simple word search which I can then print off, give to my learners based on the topic I'm delivering to them. So before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got ChatGPT opened up here, and what I'm going to do is write a prompt. So I've already generated the prompt, I've already come up with the prompt I'm going to use. So I want ChatGPT to create a Microsoft Word docx file, and it needs to be a word search. So it's going to create a word search for me, and I've also specified how I want that word search to look. So I want the word search in table format, 20 columns by 20 rows. So for the topic, fruits and vegetables, so that's what I want AI to do. So that's the topic I'm teaching, and that's the word search I want to create. So all I need to do now is click on this enter button for it to generate the Microsoft Word search. So it's analyzing at the moment. I'm going to fast forward the video until it's done. Here we go, it's generated the word search. Now all I simply do here is download the word search. It's downloading. It's going to download up here somewhere. There you go. It's a fruit and vegetables word search. Click on it. It's going to open it up in Microsoft Word, and there we have it. Just done very quickly. Fruits and vegetables in the title, so I can customize my title, put that in the center, and there's my actual grid. And these are the following words I want my learners to find within this word search. Just very quickly, I've created that within a few seconds. So that's just a quick and easy video how to actually create Word documents within Microsoft, so within ChatGPT. You can create any Word documents, you can create PowerPoint documents, you can even ask ChatGPT to create you Excel spreadsheets based on your prompt. The most important thing for you to understand is what you are writing. What do you want ChatGPT to do, and be specific about that. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.